Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are finally getting started on sorting out the headliner. So I've already got it laid out. So as you guys can see, there's all this foam that we need to get rid of, and then I guess we need to also scrape down the bottom part that has glue. So this is basically foam from the previous headliner, and then we'll be replacing it with this new headliner. So I opted for a suede, black suede. So little sneak peek of how it looks. It's gonna be all black headliner. So yep, let me go and gear up, and then basically we can get started. I kind of underestimated how long it would take for me to scrape off. I used the drill, I also used a metal brush, and yeah, this is what we got so far. There's still like a bit of glue, bit of foam, but I may give it one more pass, but then after that we're just gonna go ahead and glue this thing on. Another thing that was kind of annoying yesterday was it was really windy. So the headliner kept falling off the table. I hope that's not going to happen today because we're about to glue it. But that's a better look at the headliner in the sun. So I'll leave a before clip so you guys can see how much we've done so far. But yeah, after that we can finally put the fabric on and start the gluing process. I wanted to show you guys a bit of the progress that we've made. We've done probably this much of the way. According to the instructions, we're going to leave it for an hour just to dry, and then we can start on this side. But I think for our first time we've done really good. Just rolling it out just to make sure there's no creases. We have a little bit of creases, but I don't think there's anything major. He's panicking.
I messed it up.
No, it's fine. That part is literally gonna go in the back by the window, so it doesn't matter.
But I'll know it's there. That's the issue. I know it's there.
No pressure, but the front bit should be good. That's where we'll be driving and, you know, looking at every day. So we still got a chance to make it right. So we've done the LED light and then the console area. I feel like that's probably going to be the hardest parts, but it actually looks really good. We finished last night. We did have a bit of issues with how to fold it into the creases, but we figured it out by watching the video. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it looks. Honestly, I think it looks really professional. I'm going to show you guys the front first, and you can see how it looks in the back. There she is. And although it may be a pet peeve for other people, I like the fact that it's suede. If I rub it, it goes like a different color. But yeah, I'm really proud of it. I think it actually looks like a professional job, and this was literally me and my boyfriend's first time doing it. I'll show you guys the back because I'm sure the back looks crazy. Alright, we're not professionals, okay? But you see, like, obviously here it didn't really stick, but it doesn't matter because we're gonna have it up anyway. But that's how the back looks. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this headliner video. In my next video, I'm gonna actually get started on doing the brakes. So I know a lot of people have been wondering why I don't drive the car, and to be honest, the car has old brakes, so we're not too sure about if it's actually gonna stop properly. So once we get that sorted out, which will probably be like next week, then I can show you guys, you know, some driving videos, show you guys how the car runs. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.